It thinks I'm live, so... Technology, eh? It's Twitch. I'm glad I'm back, but yeah. Stupid Twitch. But Jay is here. Woo! Okay. So obviously React is not going to work like that, is it? Because we need it to update. So I think we're going to need a component. Yeah, bitches. Yeah, sorry. It's just technology. I don't need decent download speed right now because we're not downloading anything. So Twitch just doesn't seem to like being tethered to my phone at the moment, which is daft because I've been tethered to my phone previously and it's worked just fine. I was tethered to my phone all last Marble stream. I was tethered to my phone for my 6.5 hour stream last weekend before that. So who knows what's going on. But let's react about some React. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of how we make the messages appear. We want some reference code. And it's always going to be the same person because their reference code is great. Oh, pizza. What sort of pizza got? Oh, I know the answer to this. Is it mushroom and artichoke, wasn't it? Mmm. Good old Rudy's pizza. I might order one on Friday. Right, so we want... Let's have a look at Panther Ball. Panther Ball's a good one because it uses tmi.js, which is the library we're using. And it's using JavaScript, not TypeScript. So we can just have a look at how this is done. So if we have a look at app.js. So again, all this is done inside of here. So it imports stuff from app.styles. Okay. Oh, is this using styled components possibly? So like we saw, it connects to the client. Then you've got stuff to do with the game. And then the actual, yeah, there you go. So you've got you make the bits and bobs. Okay. So is style components going to be the best way? I mean, obviously we want components because we're going to want a message component of some kind. So let's have a look at, is it going to let me go to there? So it's from app.style. What have we got? Let's see what code we can steal right. Oh, we need to get the music back. Can't code without music, right? Yeah, so this uses style components. Also uses motion, but we don't need that. I just want to see how main is put together. Okay. Well, thanks for dropping by, Michael. I appreciate it. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm sorry that most of your watching tonight was me battling with the internet. Let's see. Okay, so we've got style components. Let's just have to do a bit of research into React components because we possibly don't need a whole... Oh, this is too hype. We need something... Let's go back to... We need to think. Need thinking music. Here we go, React components. So this is what we want. Okay, so we want to... Oh yes, it extends React component. Yeah, that makes sense. See, oh, is it? I'm not sure if this is the bit that, because we don't need to be reusable, or do we? We want it to update and display a message. So it doesn't even have to be repeatable for now. I don't mind if it gets overwritten. I just want it to show the latest message for now. Ah, this might be what we want. We want to send to it as prop. So we want a... Sweet, the boss is in town. Okay, so I think... I should zoom in a bit, actually. I think we want to use props. Because we want to display the message. We can do it inside of app.js, maybe? No, it's probably really bad form. But yeah, I think we're going to want a message component. So we'll add a file. We'll call it message.js. And that will be... class message extend react.component. Like that. I think that's right. Class car, yeah. Okay, then we need to render like that. And it will be an h3 and it will be this dot props dot message. Hey Ryan. Okay, it's unhappy about something. What are we doing wrong? So, oh, we need a return. Okay. Return h3. Okay. Oh no, backseating's allowed. I'm doing something I haven't got a clue about. So, like, I'm good, Brat. How are you, my friend? We're gonna put some hearts on to celebrate that we're back. But yes, no, please, backseat away. I need all the help I can get. So, functional components. It's just a function. Okay. So we don't need that. We just need to call it that. So it should be function message. And then it will take prop. Oh yeah, we'll get, yeah. So it's... Let's have a look. So it's going to be... Yeah, this dot props dot message. Why is it upset about that? Do we not need to do it like that? Export default function. There we go. Oh, I know what you mean. Export default like that. See, I know this stuff. Okay. And then do we just do... oh, data structures assignment. Good luck. Oh, okay. This shows what I know. Okay. So it'd be H2, H3 even. H3. Hey, thanks for the 100 bits, Ian. Props. Nope, okay. functional components react. We're gonna I need return. Okay. Return. I should read up about this stuff, really. This is so not me just hacking it and struggling. Like, React functional component. There we go. Let's read some docs. Okay, so it's a component declared. It takes props and return. Ah, so it takes props. Okay. Handling props, right? Okay. Ah, so you take it what it wants. Yeah. So we want to do. I get it. So this is going to be chat message, and then we're going to say return. No, not them. Those. Return H3 chat message. That should do it. And then we can pass it in as a string. So how would we use it? Okay, oh, so it's saying up here, wasn't it? So we do... we just type chat message. That takes props. Ah, so we pass it as chat message, okay. Ready? I'm trying to get my head around this. So you pass it in props and then it gets out the parts of it that you pass it as attributes, okay. Ah, so if Panther Labs, okay, let's go. This is one of those streams where you're going to watch me learning a lot and struggling a little bit, but that's not a bad thing. I think we're, a lot of the time, aren't we? We're too afraid to stream because we think people will find it boring watching us not have a clue. But actually, it's a group thing, isn't it? You can help me. People can learn from how I learn. We can watch us get to the bottom of it. So, let's have a look. We've got app. Takes props. Where are the actual components? Welcome, Fluffy Squirrel. Yeah. Do you know what? Not having a clue is a normal state of my development as well. That's why I'm not a professional developer anymore. Not having a clue was too stressful. Okay. Oh, okay, so you take props, which is a message, which is a type message props. Then you return the stuff that you want to display. Type message. Oh, okay. So you return a chat message and you pass stuff to it. Of a message container. Yeah, the TypeScript will just confuse more out of me. So it gets in the props and then the message is the props that you pass in, okay. I think that's more of a TypeScript thing. Because I just want to display the text. Oh yeah, so you get all these different bits out of the message. And maybe we need to pass in the whole message and then get the bits out that we want. So it would be... Ah, okay. Because there's chat message in here. You've got chat message, so you pass it the different properties. Ah, this music's not doing it for me at all. What have we got? So then you display the message text. Dangerously set inner HTML, I like that. Yeah, this is, I mean, it's just because this is breaking it down into like pieces, whereas I just literally want to pass in a string and it display it. So that's what you get it from the bits from the props itself. So it's passed through as an object, okay. So we wouldn't pass through a string. So, it'd be... What we'd pass through would be all the bits that we get out, so it's... Oh, okay. Well, that's all I wanted to do was just pass through a string, like... So it would be, like a... So it's... That's how you... Props are prop types. So that's you validate the props, okay. So you set the state as the default. Oh, okay. Handling the event, okay. Don't care about events. This is too complicated. Let's have a look. Let's find something simpler because we just need it to say that does that. We just want to pass it some data in, so that's so const welcome return the value, yeah, and that's how you use it, great, but I guess we'd do that and we'd say that that message is equal to message. The other thing, of course, is that we'll actually want so it's not going to be that we pass in. We're actually going to pass in, yes, chat message. There we go, chat message. Okay, so we're saying decide what the tag is, assign the chat message to that string with that info in it. Then otherwise chat message is equal to that. Okay. Inside that component, chat message is actually props.chatMessage. Okay. So it should be chatMessage.chatMessage. Okay, so it should be okay. No, it doesn't have that. Okay. So it should be okay, there we go. So pass in the props, and we're saying that the props is the chat message, and then here we pass the chat message. There we go. Okay. Pew pew. Okay, so now if we look at this that's running. Oh, message is not defined. Righto. Oh, do we need to import it? Import message from message. There we go. Oh. Well, who knew, eh? Try again. There we go. Okay. Let's see what happens if we say something. Okay. Not displaying anything. Why? So we've got our div of root. Got the div in there. And the hrefs got nothing in it. Okay. So the messages are coming through, but they're not displaying. So we've gone wrong somewhere. So what's getting passed in? Let's have a look. Oh no, let's do a debugger and have a look at the props. Yeah, debug is actually better because it'll break and we can have a look what the props are. Founder of null. What? There we go. Okay. It didn't break though. Why? Cannot read property founder of null. At line 17. What? Why is that null? Console.log all the things. Okay, so we'll do console.log props in message. Props. And then in here, we log for tags. I don't know if this worked yesterday. This is what's confusing me. This actual code here should work because we had it working before. It's just now that I've refactored, moved it to props, it's blowing up. Cannot read property. What do you mean founder of null? I don't get it. What's going on? So, oh yeah, badges is, it should be in tags though. What are we getting back from? So White Panther's got badges. Why is it null though? Do we need to check that it has values? Where's tags? Gone. What's tags yesterday? I'm really confused. Yeah, I see that, but why? Well, everyone's got to be an edge case, right? Okay. So we need to do some checks first then. So, how are we going to handle this? So, if tags. So I'm guessing that, yeah, if you've not got anything assigned, you're not prime, you're not. Oh, elaborate logic scares me. Can we not just do that? That water bottles. So if so if the tags of that do that, I need to move these after here. And we need to format this document because it's a mess. There we go. Okay, so if the tags aren't null, then do the checks. Otherwise, do nothing. So that's the start. Check the console. Refresh. Props and message objects. Oh, for God's sake. Props. Dot. Data? Is it? Good old data dot data. Well, this is reassuring, isn't it? No response from Twitch. Well, I don't know why. It's not what I meant to do. Oh, okay. Well, even so, it's not getting the messages. Oh, it's actually pausing the debugger. For God's sake. Come on, carry on. So, chat message is undefined. But what's props? It's undefined, okay. Let's kill the debugger. Yeah, I realise that, okay. I was just trying to be clever, you know? Because it's always dot data. That's like one of the things that trips you up the most is bloody dot data. Okay, so if we refresh this page without the debugger. Could not connect to server. Well, that's reassuring, isn't it? You can't console log with an object. Alright, okay, well... Be my guest. This is driving me nuts. Hang on, aren't you on a phone? It's not pressure. I need all the help I can get. Help to the rescue, people. Right, so let's have a look. Messages, legend, paste, go. Eesh. So what's it upset about? So, okay, it's getting the messages in now, but it's not. It's not passing it through, and why? Console.log props in message. Okay, we can't. Let's try that. Okay, it's doing it at a weird time, so let's do it. Okay, but then it's not going to hit that because of the return statement, isn't it? Why is it undefined? Why have you got an ad? That's rude. Done wrong. Oh, it's this nonsense. Yeah, chat message equals props. And yeah, it's just chat message then, not props.chat message, yeah. I knew this. It's one of those, isn't it? Sometimes you kind of know something, but you don't know it enough for it to click to put the pieces together. Then someone fixes it and you're like, oh yeah. And this is why it's great to learn from people. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Well, we're still learning. Okay. Save it. Okay. not printing anything, is it? No. It's broke. What's it saying? Chat messages assigned a value but never used. That seems worrying. Is it a typo or something daft? It is used. Okay. I'll just sit back and watch the master at work. This Pepsi Max is my wine. Nope. I mean, it's not blown up now, Fluffy Squirrel, but it's still broke. Don't worry about this. It's this is. I can zoom in on this, but yeah. I hope you'll zoom in through your assignment. Have a look. Yeah, that's from here. Oh, no, wait, what? Yeah, so what's going on? Oh yeah, okay, maybe that was it. Let's try and see. Okay. Well, it's stuck with the other nonsense now. It was still broken, but I can do it again. No, not that one, that one. It's so mysterious. I like how it's client nonce. That just sounds really dodgy. We have some things. Okay. What? Why is it? Oh no. Do we need to refresh? Okay. Let's try that. Oh god. Okay. Take 2. There we go. Okay. Jeez. Oh, sorry. I forgot you have to refresh the browser. Like, what is this nonsense? Okay. So that's something. Yeah, we're still not getting anything in the H2. Why? It's not going to be something really stupid like the default text color, is it? Actually, we can check that by looking at the elements in root, div, Yeah, it's empty. It's not just doing some weird extra nonsense. Okay. So, how is everyone's evening going? How was your weekend? Some of you aren't. It's not evening time yet. Why are we not? So we're saying chat messages that. I'm just going to try something because I want to know. Blah plus dollar with the chat message and do the same here. But check it's at least getting the message, and that's not the problem. No, it's not printing the message. Interesting. Interesting. Hang on. If someone who literally writes chatbots every other week is battling with this, and I feel less silly. Oh, okay, you spotted something. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Doesn't have a value, but it's not undefined. This logic is weird. That's a very polite way of saying your code is shit. To me, I mean. Okay. Save it. Refresh. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. Look. Yay! Look at that. Sweet. White Panther to the rescue, as always. Oh yeah, I know that. I was happy with one message at a time. I just wanted to get something onto screen for now. I mean, I know that we're going to have to do something else to make them appear multiple times, but it was just wanting to get something on screen. Woo! White Panther rules, my code rules. Yeah, so chat message is the state. Set chat message is the things that you can do to the state. Yeah, that makes sense. Look at that. We have working code, everybody. Yeah, that makes sense, because you don't know what it's going to be, yeah. You don't want it to display anything on the screen until it's actually got a message. And that's okay, it's progress. We have stuff on the page and that's exciting. I'm going to leave these comments in because they're actually genuinely helpful. Yes, it is. Hearts, you're the best. Pew pew. This is true, yes. You can do pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. There we go. In honor of you, we'll leave up the Pew Pew Panther. Beautiful. There we go. So we have stuff we can actually work with now. Oh, so we need to work out how to make it into a message that appears each time. But we've got something on the screen and that's sweet. Ah, yes. Okay, I'll take out this bit. But I'm going to leave all the comments in because they're mega helpful. Actually, we're going to say help received from there we go. Bit of public recognition. There we go. So we can commit this now. So battleground bot. Have a look at what stuff has changed. So we can add everything because it's all git add dot. That's the one. Just check I'm not missing anything. So added everything, git commit refactored and added message displaying on screen and added latest message displaying on screen. There we go. It is introduce new features. go. Push that up. There we go. Neat. Okay. So we've got that going. That's something. People are famous now. So interestingly, how does it work with this kind of thing? I'm intrigued. So you have the stuff, got the message queue, yeah. Got roots, fancy. Roots chat, and it's a message queue, okay. Message queue. Oh, for each message you create a new message. Okay, so message queue can take multiple messages. Okay. Oh yeah, and just add to it. Yes, push. Yes. Okay. Okay. I think I got this. Yes. 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 Okay. So. We want to say that a chat message so when a message is received, think about this. So we want to pass in an array instead. And we can... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just whirring in my head how to do it. So... Got... Chat message. And set chat message takes a string. Yes, okay. So it would be we'll say let messages yeah, this is fun. Alright. Well, that's what I thought, but I'm just... Yeah, so it's set chat message, but instead of a string, you pass it like that. So you pass it an array. No, because that would make a new array every time, wouldn't it? Have a message. Oh, Matt's live. Okay. You want a new state variable chat message. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know. I mean, yeah, so we do... Yeah, so it'd be chat message. Then we'd also have messages list. Oh, I don't know, messages. And set messages. And then it'd just be an empty array. Oh, okay. Separate line. Righto. This must be so painful for you to watch. Here we go. Okay. Const. Message. We'll call it a queue for now, just because. Why not? Set. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Call it messages, chat messages, chat messages, set chat messages equals use state empty array. So then we set chat messages dot push. Can you do that, or is it going to complain that it's not a thing? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, of course it will. Okay, that's right. So set chat messages. Message. So set the chat message. Ah, yeah. So yeah, so it's set chat messages to be chat messages. Chat message. Oh, missing a dot. Okay. So we're saying set the array, add an extra one to it, which is that, and then yes. So this sets the message, but this just sets it all up. But it will never update, will it, if we don't put another one down here? So I'm going to do set chat messages. It's going to be same again, isn't it? Oh, well, who doesn't want a race condition on a Sunday evening, right? Hey Moody, good morning, happy Monday. Okay. Hey Exegete. Husband chat message. So like that. Yes, yes, I did know this, Exegete. You are correct. And then we don't need... Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Ooh, what have I done? Oh. Okay, so we're saying set a message to that, then the chat messages, pass it that string. Then set it to be that. Okay, and then in the message, oh, this is going to get fancy. Oh yeah, of course. So it's going to be chat messages equals chat messages. And then if we go into here, the prop messages equals props. Messages. But we're not going to do that, are we? We're going to do chat messages. Oh, it's going to be chat messages dot map message each map. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it would be do that, and then we'll say for each one you return an H3 with the message. That should do it, shouldn't it? If each chat message that comes in, create the message, then return a new H3 with the message in it. Oh, yeah. Nope. Neither return word or convert the square brackets to round brackets. Hang on. I know map. Oh, before the H3 ad return. Okay. There we go. Hang on, you told me to look up how to do a map. I know how to do a map. Ryan the NHG taught me about maps. Because I was doing maps in the Twilio Quest JavaScript levels and I got confused, so he taught me through it. So there we go. So that should map through them all now and say that for every message, return an H3 with a message in it. Let's go. Let's refresh. What's it doing? Still running. Oh, I think the page has crashed. Hang on. Don't know what it's doing. Localhost 3000. Okay. There we go. Yes. Look at that. We did it! Look at that! That's awesome. Yeah! Crowd goes wild indeed. Look at that! Get chat messages showing. Now, what should we do? Shall we quit while we're ahead and raid somebody? Or do we want to keep doing more with this so that we can actually have it as an overlay? What do we reckon? Hey, good work to you too, my friend. That was absolutely a team effort. I mean, there's a slight delay, but that's okay. But we're getting there. Just go away. There we go. But yeah, there we go. We've got messages displaying on the screen, and it's not. It's moaning about never used, but it's there. What's never used? Oh, it's never used. Okay. But yeah, we got it. I like how you. Oh, yeah, okay. Beautiful. Wait, what? Oh, the whole line. Okay, fair. Oh yeah, it never gets used really, does it? Right. And then we don't need that or that. There we go. Should work. Look at that work of art. Beautiful. So I'll be interested. I don't think it's a thing to do tonight, but I'll be interested to see how we then go about making it not a thing on the page, but an actual thing in itself, so that. Woo! No. No, it will not break it. Nope, we're good. Thanks for the test salt bit. It ignores, amazingly, it ignores bit donations already, which is good. Well, that's sweet. We're getting messages and showing up. But yeah, now I need to work out how you'd stop it not being just an H3 on a page, but actually its own thing so that it can display on the page. Because my goal eventually is to change it to be, and I can do it now actually, so you can see what I've got in mind. Rather than that, it would be. Oh. Wouldn't it? Wouldn't that break though? Because it's got a white background and it would. You wouldn't be able to see it. It would block everything else. Oh. That's clever. I don't know why it keeps crashing, but okay. Any feedback to why? No. Ah, okay. Let's try it. Why not? I don't think I've got a Netlify account, but it's free, right? But it's not free. Let's do it. I'd normally do it with Azure, but let's try it. Okay. The site. So if we deploy this, yes, I was just gonna say we just need to commit this. Git status, git add, both of them, and it's git commit. Display all messages on screen, one after other. we go. Okay. Okay, well, we'll do if I can. What? Oh, okay. That was really poor UX. I was like, what? On to me. Just to BattleBot. Install. Let's go. Yeah, it's npm run build. The published directory is public, I believe. Is it public? Would it be? Oh no, there is build. Yeah, okay, I'll leave it as build. Deploy it and see what happens, I guess. Can always redeploy it and fix it. Interesting. If this works, I'm gonna be well chuffed. I don't know how long this will take, but you know, we might have a browser source. Deploying it, so it's thinking about it. I don't need to do those bits, I just want to see it live. It's very exciting. Oh yeah, that's true. Well, we can get to that. Let's see what happens. We'll get it deployed first. There we go. Site deploy is initiated. Site is live. Okay. Site settings. Site name. Can we change the site name? Oh yeah, so that's the random. I'll change site name. There we go. Okay. So if we add this as a browser source, we'll go to desktop. We'll add this as a browser source. We want a component. BattleBot. We will add a scene. We'll add battleground bot. There we go. I mean, obviously it's in the slightly wrong place because it's got a title. Let's just do it on something with a white background, like that. There we go. So, yeah, look at that. Obviously, we need to fix the sort it all out, but look at that. I'm well chuffed with that. I mean, no, you can't, but look at that. Yippee! Nice. That's epic. Yeah, obviously, you know, we need to smart it up and make it look prettier and change the text color so that it's more so that it's got background regardless of the color and everything. But we've got something to start with on Wednesday. I know exactly who we're going to raid now, so we can go and raid a certain individual, knowing that we're going to check. Yeah, exactly, Toadfrog. Look at us. Also, hey, buddy. Yeah, look, we have a whole. We have. Oh, I'm so happy. We have my first chatbot show. Look at that. Sweet. So yeah, we can come back on Wednesday. So tomorrow night I'll be back for Monday Marbles, and then Wednesday we'll be back with Web Dev Wednesday, where we can work on this. We now have it as a browser source and everything, so we can start to work on the layout and starting to make it pop and all the things I want to do, like change the emotes to be not an orange heart, but like the emote for like what you are. So you know you can have sword or heart or wave or whatever. Like we can. There's so many ideas I've got for this for now. But yeah, we have our first chatbot. Woohoo! I'm very happy with that. Okay, so we are going to. We're gonna raid now because I didn't want to. This was just a very quick bonus stream to see what we could achieve, and I'd happily go on with this because I'm really enjoying it. But I feel like this is a really nice, like, ending point where we know that we've got it on screen now, and then we can start on Wednesday to build on making it look better. We achieved our goal. Happy times all round. So we're gonna raid. But I appreciate you all showing up though, supporting me. Big up White Panther for live code sharing and fixing all my problems, leaving really useful chat comments. That's alright. It's alright, Chris. Don't worry. You can come back on Wednesday and watch us make it look prettier. Now we can go hang out with another great streamer. And yeah, we can all go drop some hype for them. And we can come back on Wednesday to do more of this. So thank you for dropping by. Thank you for persevering when Twitch decided that my better internet was rubbish. You're welcome, Ian. Thanks for stopping by. And thanks for the bits for those that donated. It's all very exciting. So I will see you on Wednesday. And have a great evening, everyone. Thanks, Exegete, and I will see you on Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. I'll see you on tomorrow for. Oh, thanks for the bits. I will eat Toadfrog, but I will see you all on Wednesday. No, I keep saying Wednesday because that's when we'll carry on this project. I'll see you all tomorrow when we do Monday Marbles, where it's horse racing commentary and marbles on stream. Absolutely bonkers, no code. Good night, everybody.
So, howdy everybody, and welcome. So I can see already we've got obviously the shout out to. Why is that one working? We've got the shout out to Loose Cat, and it works this time. Now I do. So we've got the shout out to Loose. We've got White Panther in. And we've also got Mr. Toadfrog himself. I don't think there's anybody else here yet. If there is, of the usual crew, shout up so I can shout you out. Of course, she's always there, the MVP. So what you been doing on your stream then? I don't know why I pulled off this then. You doing all fun? Were you working on your bot, weren't you? From the bit I dropped in. calls for a celebratory whiskey. I mean, any excuse, eh? Cheers. Or salut. So what's everybody's tipple tonight, or are you just on there? Teas or water? You've almost finished a bottle of wine? Well, I mean, the weekend you have had, it's forgivable, and you don't. No, actually, no. There's no forgiving. It's allowed. Back to a brew. Can't beat a good brew. So, right.